Meadowsweet is one of my favorite herbs. It has a great medicinal value and tastes so good. Today I will harvest some and make a vanilla sugar substitute. As far as possible we try to not buy food but find local solutions and harvest what we can from our little farm and the nature around. So this is just another thing we will try, so hopefully it will turn out great. I'll just hang them to dry now because I have a lot of other stuff to do. So I'll just keep them here till I have a rainy day and more time to stay inside. A lot more time went by than I thought, but now I'm at it. I'm cheating a bit here because this is actually store-bought sugar. I'm using about 1 cup. I could use honey, but it's really hard to make it completely dry and non-sticky. So I'm cheating. I'm putting it all in the oven for some time to be sure that everything is totally dry, but I am having the door open, of course. That sweet smell is really amazing and filling the kitchen like it's fresh. It smells of summertime. Now I'm just going to use a spice mortar to crush the sugar and the meadowsweet, and then I'm straining it. I'm doing that with everything, and then I will crunch it again till what I end up with is a fine powder. trying not to sneeze because all this meadowsweet powder is blowing around in my nose. But I think the results look correct. Smells delicious. So I'm just putting it on a tight jar for keeping now. Ta-da! Here are the results. Our very first homemade meadowsweet sugar or vanilla sugar substitute. Looks good. It is light yellow in color. So I'm going to bake some cookies to try the new meadowsweet sugar, and for the fun of it I'm going to bake without any sort of flour with our own potatoes. So I'll just boil them first. I will just mix together sugar, butter, eggs, baking powder and potatoes and the vanilla sugar substitute. If you would like to try the recipe yourself, I will put it in a comment below this video. Mush in the potatoes with your hands and mix it well. And then it's time for the exciting part, the vanilla substitute. So this will be my very first taste of meadowsweet sugar made at home. I have cheated a bit and finger tasted it. It is really good. It tastes a bit like vanilla, but more like meadowsweet. But how does it taste as a vanilla substitute in this cookies? It definitely just tastes like vanilla. Oh, I would like to make a vanilla ice cream, but yeah, meadowsweet ice cream. That would be just lovely with this, I think. And also it's a real taste of summer. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there in YouTube land. Bye! Definitely is a keeper.